everybody, I'm Steve Ducker, I'm the editor of Demolition Recycling International magazine, and I'm speaking to you from the Bauma exhibition in Munich. And with me I have Cedric Masson of Caterpillar. The company has recently launched its 340F demolition boom, which you can read about in the March-April issue of the magazine, and it's now bringing its prototype of the 340F ultra-high demolition model to the exhibition. Yes, hello Cedric. Could you say a few words in the first instance, please, about the development of the 340F prototype and what influenced you to launch a demolition machine?
The fact we show a prototype of the 340F here confirms the willingness of Caterpillar to get back in the demolition business. Of course, such a machine takes a long time, so it's a decision that was made a couple of years ago. This is a long development time. But you know, we've recently launched the 336F straight boom. That was our first product back in the demolition. Now we follow with the 340F ultra high demolition. This is a prototype we show in Bauma. That's the very first one. The model will be officially launched later this year.
What new features and benefits of the product are you particularly proud of?
The first intent for Caterpillar was to integrate the whole process, which means we wanted to offer a full Caterpillar solution to our customers. That means in-house design with our own engineers. That means controlled manufacturing in our facilities, and then a distribution through our dealer network, which means full warranty, parts availability, and usual support you get for any other Caterpillar product. That was the intent. On top of that, Caterpillar has the possibility to offer Caterpillar work tools. So, of course, when we design the machine, we integrate the full solution, including the work tool. So that's the first and the real intent of what we're doing now. Now, from a pure feature perspective, here we have a 22-meter high version that is able to carry 3.6 metric tons at that height. So it's pretty heavy load. This corresponds to if I talk in Caterpillar words, this corresponds to a quick coupler with a mounting bracket and a MP324 multiprocessor. You see it's a specific demolition cab with a tilting device. This is pretty common in the marketplace, but again, this is the Caterpillar demolition cab with a wider opening at the top, reinforced front windshield, reinforced top window with parallel wipers on both front and top. You know that cab because we already talked about it when we talked about the 336 straight boom. It's the same cab, but this one can tilt back 30 degrees. Now, if you look at the machine, you can also have a closer look at the back of the boom. We now integrate a hook system with a hydraulic connection, so a full hydraulic connection at the boom foot. And we also integrate hydraulic quick disconnects at the back for all the hydraulic lines. And those connectors can be disconnected manually. You don't need work tools. So at the end of the day, you can swap the full fronts in less than 30 minutes. This is again extremely fast, and the objective, of course, is to meet customer expectations in terms of flexibility on job sites.
It's very early days in terms of Bauma. It's only day 2 and the weather's not helping us. So could you say a bit about what the market reaction to the product has been so far?
Well, after one day, I must say we are pretty excited because, of course, obviously due to the size of the machine, it's an eye catcher. So people obviously come to us. There is a lot of interest. I guess when a manufacturer like Caterpillar comes back in a certain segment, it's always of interest. And so far we've met customers that are truly interested. It's almost even embarrassing because we are here with the prototype and we have customers asking for prices, but it's way too early for us.
And finally, Cedric, are there future plans for more products in the demolition sector? Could you say a bit more about that?
Of course we have plans. This is part of a global strategy. So there are other products in the pipeline. It's obviously way too early to talk about them, but yeah, I confirm we have other projects ongoing, and again, this one, the 340 UHD, will be launched before end of this year.
So Cedric, thank you for your time. Great to speak to you, and I'll wish you a successful exhibition for the rest of Bauma.
Welcome, Steve. Thank you.